Yes, students, today we are going to discuss your next topic of business studies, that is various types of business risk. First type of business risk is strategic risk. Now, how these risk arises due to errors in strategic decision making. Okay, it means whenever any business enterprise has taken a faulty decision or their decision is wrong, then business may suffer huge loss due to that decision. Now suppose there is example is given, Raymond's suffered loss by diversifying into cement manufacturing. Okay, the main business of Raymond was of a cloth, but whenever the Raymond's company has also started the cement manufacturing enterprise, but he has suffered loss due to some strategic decision that has been taken by that company. Means naturally these decisions are related to strategic decision making. Whenever there is any wrong decision has been taken by company, that are strategic risk and it may suffer loss. Second is financial risk. These kinds of financial risk relates to financial position of an enterprise. How financial position of enterprise may be affected? Suppose there is reduction in sales. Naturally, if there is reduction in sales, naturally then the earnings of the company will be reduced. Cash flow will be reduced. There will be reduced earning to a business. Then these kinds of risk are related to financial risk. This that affects on the financial position of any enterprises. Third is operational risk. What are operational risk? These risk arises due to interruptions or shortcomings in day-to-day operations of an enterprise. These risk relates to the day-to-day operations of an enterprise. Suppose there is any interruption in the daily operations of an enterprise, like suppose there is any labor problem, suppose any strike that has been made by any employees, workers, if there is any breakdown of plant and machinery, if there is any defect in any plant and machinery, then these problems risk are related to the day-to-day operations of an enterprise, and that interruptions, whatever defects, shortcomings, these are called operational risk. Okay, another example of, if there is any kind of shortage of raw materials, if there is any shortage of raw materials, naturally production will be reduced. If production will be reduced, then naturally sales will also be reduced, and if sales will be reduced, then company's earning will also be reduced. These are just operational type of business risk. Next is compliance risk. What are compliance risk? These are also called regulatory risk. That risk arises due to failure to comply with the relevant laws, regulations, rules, policies, any procedures. Means whenever any company has started its business, then any company, any business enterprises, any sole proprietors has to follow some kind of rules, some kind of laws, regulations, policies. Suppose if any company is not following any kind of laws, rules, then naturally some kind of penal action can be taken by against that company. Like there is simple example, a business enterprises has to pay advance tax in four installments every year. it is a legal obligation upon the enterprise. It is legal obligation upon company. Now, suppose a company is not paying that advance tax by the due dates. That due dates are fixed. Then legal action can be taken against that. Legal action can be taken against the company. These are some compliance risks. Even as per Income Tax Act, every company has to pay tax and file income tax returns. If company is not filing proper income tax return, then naturally he is not following the rules, regulations, laws of that act. It means company has to follow that rules, regulations. If it is not following, then these kinds of compliance risks a company has to face. Next, fifth is competition and market risk. These risk arises due to activities of competitors. Like suppose your competitor has adopted any kind of new technology, your competitor has introduced a new product. If suppose naturally, if your competitor has reduced the prices of goods, then these kinds of action that are taken by competitors, that is also called some kind of business risk. Like there is example, like there are now today there are some online companies like e-commerce companies, online sellers like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeals. These companies are selling goods online. Now, with the introduction of these kinds of online sellers, the offline traders, like in our shops, malls, naturally their sales has been decreased. Okay, these e-commerce or online traders has affected the sales and profits of offline firms that are traditional companies. These are some kinds of business risk, types of business risk. Strategic risk that are relates with decision making of a company, but financial that relates to financial position of a company. Operationals that are due to interruptions of whatever any shortcomings in the day to day operations of any business enterprise. And what are compliance risk? These are related to the comply with the relevant laws and rules. And competition, these risks arise due to activities of competitors. These are some kind of business risk.